Ever wondered if there's a smartphone that delivers high-end features without breaking the bank? Enter the BLU G91 Pro. This impressive device, priced at just $89.99, is a game-changer in the budget smartphone market. It's packed with features typically found in pricier models, making it an excellent choice for savvy buyers who want the most bang for their buck. From its generous display to its powerful processor, the BLU G91 Pro doesn't skimp on quality. Stay tuned as we dive into the remarkable features of the BLU G91 Pro. First off, let's talk about the display and design. The BLU G91 Pro boasts an expansive 6.8-inch screen, a real feast for your eyes. This large display not only offers you an immersive viewing experience, but also makes everything from browsing the web to watching your favorite shows a delight. Now let's shift our focus to the design. The BLU G91 Pro has a sleek and modern look which gives it a premium feel. This design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about ergonomics, making the phone comfortable to hold and use. In essence, the BLU G91 Pro perfectly marries form and function. With the BLU G91 Pro, you get a high-end display and design without the high-end price. Next up, we have the performance and storage. The BLU G91 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G90 processor. This engine, paired with a 4 GB of RAM, ensures a smooth and responsive experience, whether you're scrolling through your social media feed, catching up on emails, or indulging in your favorite mobile games. The G90 processor is specifically designed to handle the demands of modern gaming, so you can expect a lag-free and immersive gaming experience. What's more, the BLU G91 Pro comes with a generous 128 GB of storage. This is ample space for your photos, apps, and videos. And if you're a digital hoarder, fear not. The storage is expandable, offering you the flexibility to add more space as you need it. So whether you're a casual user or a gaming enthusiast, the BLU G91 Pro has got you covered. Now let's shift our focus to the camera and battery life. The BLU G91 Pro sports a 48-megapixel rear camera, which is perfect for capturing high-quality photos. Whether you're a budding photographer or just love to document your everyday moments, this camera won't disappoint. And let's not forget about the selfie camera. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures your selfies are crisp and clear. It's perfect for those video calls with friends or capturing your best look for social media. Moving on to the battery life, the BLU G91 Pro is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery. This means you can use your phone all day without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the internet, this phone can handle it all, and then some. With the BLU G91 Pro, you can capture your favorite moments and use your phone all day without worrying about the battery. To wrap things up, let's revisit the highlights of the BLU G91 Pro. An impressive 6.8-inch screen, a powerful MediaTek Helio G90 processor, and a substantial 4 GB of RAM. With a generous 128 GB of storage, you'll have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The device is equipped with a sharp 48-megapixel rear camera and a 16-megapixel front camera, ensuring your pictures always look their best. And with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, you can use your phone all day without worrying about charging. And remember, all these high-end features come at an unbeatable price, just under $90. That's the BLU G91 Pro, a smartphone that truly gives you more bang for your buck.